JoeteckTips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land.
Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I have a basketball, football, any ball that requires a needle to inflate. This is called an ETENWOLF compressor, portable. It works incredible. I have two balls here that I just inflated, but this also has the ability to deflate. So on the top of this is locations for two needles for storage and an inflate and deflate orifice. So we're going to deflate. Moisten the needle, insert it, and deflate. That's one ball deflated. Going to insert gently and deflate. So now we have two balls that are deflated. They're not sports balls, they're toys. Like the other ones are toys, but football and basketball are sports. So I have these for examples. This has PSI, BAR, and KPA, depending on where you're located for the proper PSI or air pressure for the ball. Now let's move this over to inflate. And what's really nice about this is intelligent, so you can set it, say, okay, I want it to go up to 8 PSI and stop, so it doesn't blow up the ball. I'm going to slide this in like so, and then we're going to inflate it. And it does not show PSI on the display. It does not show PSI on the display because I have it just a wind. It's just continuous airflow. There's no PSI regulator. So if we move this to, say, PSI, it also measures it too. So if you're curious to see what this PSI is currently at, you can stick it in and it'll measure. So this currently says 3.1 PSI. If I wanted to go higher to like 5, now this is 5 PSI. This particular ball, I can measure it again, 4.6. And you can set this to automatically stop. So let me lower this football down to, like, say 5.5. And it stops. Home run. I think it is a really cool thing. Let's try it. Let's do to this ball here. Slide it in. I don't think I can get this thing to 5 PSI. This is kind of a little tighter ball, smaller, thinner ball. I don't think I can get to 5 PSI. I'd be shocked. Yeah, probably not. We'll go to 2. Because it'll probably get too big and probably explode. These are not designed to go that large, they're small balls. So this is 2.2. Even though I had it set for 5.5 for the other ball, I made this 2.2 on the same setting. I just stopped it before it went to the end. We're just about to hit 20,000 subscribers. That is a huge milestone for JoeteckTips with over 1,100 videos. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
In the world of bytes and bits, where tech can make a strip, there's a guru with a knack for every digital tip. JoeTech's the name, he's the one you'll seek. From gadgets to software, he's the one you'll meet. So if your tech's in a tangle, don't you fear. JoeTech's here, let his advice draw near. With his help, you'll surely find in this digital world peace of mind. JoeteckTips, he's the man with the plan, Tech, whoa.
He'll surely fix it.